This video will introduce the various functions of the Scanner app in detail. Connect the device. Step 1. Turn on the Bluetooth on your device. Step 2. Power on the scanner. Step 3. Open the app, it will automatically search for the device. Step 4. Click to connect the scanner. Basic settings. Set system language. Rename the scanner. Adjust volume. For options, silent, low, medium or high. Adjust vibration intensity. 3 options, low, high, or close. Adjust illumination and navigation lights. Note, only 2D scanners support lighting adjustment. Set keyboard language. Supports multiple keyboard languages for both Windows and Mac OS. Enable or disable the auto-off function and set the auto-sleep duration. Set data transmission speed. Set scannable barcode types. You can enable or disable all barcode types with one click. Data processing. Add end characters to barcodes, with options for tab or enter. By default, no characters are added. Set the letter case of scanned barcodes. By default, the case remains unchanged. Set whether to display the scanning time and date. Customize prefix. Customize the barcode prefixes. And you can also experience various built-in functions and set control characters. Customize suffix. You can delete the leading or ending characters for a specific barcode type. Scanning modes. Auto turn off red light mode. In this mode, the scanner will scan only when the scan button is manually pressed. Auto sense mode. The scanner will automatically detect and scan the barcodes in front. Hands-free mode. The red light stays on and remains in scanning status. Cache management. Set the scanner to automatically clear cache data on startup and upload cache data automatically. Enable the double-click to upload cache data and the number of scanned barcodes. Enable inventory mode. In this mode, barcode scan would be stored in the cache. You can double-click the scan button to upload the data. AI features. Click the AI icon in the bottom right to enter the AI interface. Quickly configure basic settings such as adjusting volume and vibration, or manually input text commands for various configurations. You can also complete more complex data processing commands via text commands. Thank you for watching. Welcome to experience more features. If you have any questions, feel free to contact after sales support.